Welcome to the in front of me Realme Pad, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, you should press and hold for a while your screen, and here you will see the wallpaper section. Now just go there, and here you can choose your lock screen wallpaper from this default photos or from your photos on your device if you get. For example, I'll go in with this one, and now just here tap to set wallpaper, and we wanna change the lock screen wallpaper, so tap there, and now we'll check that. Just block your device, and as can you see, we just changed successfully our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way. Just go to the settings application, and here tap to the display section. Now just go to the advanced options, and here tap to the wallpaper section, and by the same way tap here, for example, to wallpapers, and select the wallpaper that you want to just set to your lock screen, and now just tap here to lock screen wallpaper. And now also we can check another time. As can you see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.